आम्ही आयज खूपशे डिसिजनां घेतल्या मॅडमा कडल्यान म्हायती घेऊन आणि आमचे जे आयजचे सिच्युएशन हा आणि म्हणून दिसले की मिडिया ब्रीफ करपाची गरज हा. आयजचे दिसा आम्ही जेन्ना पळयता की गोंया राज्यांत कितें परिस्थिती हा, आमकां कितें निर्णय घेवंक जाय. एक तुमकां एक आश्वासन दिता की मॅडम आम्ही डीन आणि गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज आणि यांची कोमॉर्बिडिटी कंडिशन जे ईएसआय हॉस्पिटल ते ईएसआय हॉस्पिटल मॅनेज करपाक म्हणून डीएचएस ईएसआय आणि गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजचे टीम्स अँड डॉक्टर्स त्यांचे वेगवेगळे ऑर्डर्स काढल्या. Also, we are seeing that the number of cases is rising in the state of Goa, and it is also जायतेकडे आम्ही ग्लोबली बी पळयता, आमच्या देशान बी पळयता, पण त्याच तरेन Goa government is also ensuring that appropriate steps are taken from time to time in order to keep a control on what is happening and provide the quality treatment to the people of the state of Goa as per laid down protocols. As far as we are concerned, we have had a detailed discussion with the Honorable Chief Minister, who has agreed in joint consultation, myself, Secretary Health, Dean Goa Medical College, Director DHS and Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant यांच्याकडे चर्चा करून we have decided to declare the Konda Sub-District Hospital as the second COVID hospital, and it is within the next 48 hours our teams from DHS and from Goa Medical College will be taking charge of the hospital. Patients from there also arrangements are being made to shift them appropriately to different medical centers. And most importantly, it is necessary that we have a COVID hospital in place. As we speak, and as the media is always aware of various situations that is arising in the state of Goa, we are taking all steps that are required to deal with the rising cases of COVID in the state of Goa. Appropriate treatment and whatever is a shortfall in the COVID hospital is being taken care of under the guidance of the Chief Minister. And same time, the CT scanner machine गरज आशिल्ली थंय बी every aspect is being taken care of and is being provided. HFNO machines additional जाय आशिल्ल्यो ते बी आम्ही प्रोवाइड करता. त्याच बरोबर आम्ही हाय डिपेंडन्सी युनिट आम्ही ऑलरेडी सांगलेले आसा तुमकां पयर मॅडमान ऑर्डर काडल्या हाय डिपेंडन्स युनिटाची गरज आहा आमच्या कोविड हॉस्पिटलान. त्याच तरेन जे फॅसिलिटी आयज आम्ही 3 तरेचे मीटिंग्स घेतल्या. One meeting we had internally between us and with the Chief Minister. Second, we had with the experts that are helping us keep the latest protocol in place. That is Dr. Oscar, Dr. Molio, Magiramji, Dr. Eddy of DHS, Dr. Pednekar, Dean, Madam Neeramohan, myself, then Dr. Viren Naukar, then Dr. Rajeshwar Naik, Dr. Oscar Rivello. आमची मीटिंग झाली. इन डिटेल आमचे डिस्कशन झाले. ते ऑलरेडी कोविड हॉस्पिटल व्हिजिट केल्ले आसा. त्यांचे सजेशन्स आम्ही सगळे मिनिट केल्ले आसा. Madam put up करतली फाइल and जे कितें आम्ही weekly आम्ही ठरयला की these experts and we and Madam will sit down and meet in order to see that we are able to see that each and every aspect it goes as per the protocol that is laid down and we are able to provide and take care of the people in the right and in a very structured manner. त्याचबरोबर more than 39 people have come forward to donate the plasma. Our people are creating a cell by which they can deal with the patients and talk to them and counsel them so that more people come forward to give the plasma. हांव तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान विनंती करता गोंयच्या लोकांक जे कोविडांतल्यान भायर सरल्या आनी क्युअर जावन भायर सरल्या की तुमी फुडें येवचे. तुमचे प्लाझ्माचो उपयोग आनी कोणाचें जीवन वाचोवपाक आमकां संदी गावतली. त्याच बरोबर तुमकां कसलोच नुकसान जावचो ना कारण आमचे कडेन आतां ही अफेरेसिस मशीन आहा जेतूंतल्यान सगळे न्यूट्रिएंट जे प्लाझ्मा लागता तितकेच भायर काडून म्हणजे तो प्लाझ्मा जो डोनेट करता ही कॅन अगेन इन 15 days डोनेट द प्लाझ्मा बट विदाउट एनी हार्म टू हिज बॉडी और टू हिज हेल्थ. We need plasma and this plasma will help in bringing up already in Goa. Many times we find that perception created is that we are not taking appropriate steps, but here we are taking the steps. We are taking, Madam is taking, Dean is taking, Chief Minister is taking, our team of doctors from DHS, ESI and GMC, all of us are taking steps to see that we are able to put our best foot forward and providing the best care to the people. 10 patientantले 3 तशेच status quo हा. After giving plasma, we have been able to improve the condition of more than approximately around 7 patients. And we have got some more packs, we need some more packs of plasma which is there so that we can help that person recover. And plasma is definitely having a positive impact on a larger number of patients that plasma has been administered in the COVID hospital. Now as I have mentioned to you that we are going to have 2 COVID hospitals. One is ESI hospital and one is the sub-district hospital Koda. Within the next 48 hours it will be commissioned. And all the patients will be shifted out. Next is the old Hospicio. We are now trying to shift all the patients over the next 10 days into the new South Goa District Hospital. GSIDC also, we have had a discussion with them. We are trying to ensure that the old Hospicio will become for antenatal and postnatal care, that will be a dedicated hospital for positive COVID patients. So आमच्याकडे 3 हॉस्पिटल असतली. सध्या Ponda sub-district hospital can go up to a bed capacity of 220 till the Hospicio, old Hospicio gets commissioned, and thus those facilities are shifted to new South Goa District Hospital. We will be having one floor dedicated only for antenatal and postnatal for women in the Ponda District Hospital. We got 2 floors empty there, and that full hospital is functional hospital, and we want to see that all the replication of facilities in ESI hospital in Madgaon are made similarly replicated in Ponda. आज आम्ही मुख्यमंत्रीकडे चर्चा करून हे निर्णय घेतल्या. हे सगळे निर्णय आम्ही घेतल्या. तुम्ही पहिले असतील की मुख्यमंत्री ट्वीट बी केला की पोंडा हॉस्पिटल आणि सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल आम्ही he has already tweeted that this will be the next COVID hospital. So all this has happened today afternoon. I would like to appeal also through your medium to the people of the state of Goa. गरज पडल्यावरच हॉस्पिटलांनी मुद्दा म्हणून तुम्ही जे कितें पोस्टपोन करू शकता ते प्लीज पोस्टपोन करचे. फुडले 60 दीस तरी म्हाका दिसता की आमकां काळजी करपाची गरज आहा. आमकां व्यवस्थित मनांतल्यान विचार करूंक जाय की आपल्याक गरज आहा हॉस्पिटलाची, तरच एमर्जन्सी आसल्या जाल्यार सेमी एमर्जन्सी आसल्या तरच तुम्ही हॉस्पिटलांत येवचे. आमचे केसीस वाडटात, पूण त्याच बरोबर आम्ही त्या तरेची पावलां घेतात की लोकांक योग्य तरेचे ट्रिटमेंट आनी सगळ्याकडे जगान जे प्रोटोकॉल फॉलो केले वयता तरेतरेचे मेडिसिन जे गरज पडटा ते आमी ऑलरेडी जाग्यार घालपाचे आनी आमचे कडेन ऑलरेडी स्टॉकान आसा. And also I would like to mention to you that we have already processed the file where Sodexo will be given the charge for providing food in Goa Medical College, and we are taking Ecoclean for housekeeping and patient handling in the COVID hospital. We already have an agency on board in Ponda. So accordingly, whatever is required, Madam has already processed, and we will see that those type of facilities are provided in the respective centers so that people don't have any kind of problem in terms of hygiene or quality of food or the treatment protocol that is given. That's why we have put local doctors from the private and government sector as a team in order to monitor these activities. What I would also like to suggest to the media is try to please appeal through your forum to the people to come forward. It is absolutely safe to donate plasma. You must be seeing on NDTV there is a constant campaign that is carried out so that the people in Delhi, Bombay, all over the places people are coming forward and donating the plasma. There are several videos that have been played also on these channels which talk about people who have donated the plasma, that they are absolutely fine, healthy, and there is nothing that goes wrong with them. It is very much required in order to save somebody's life, and if somebody comes forward, we will be really very grateful as a state government. And same time, I would like to also share with you as far as the cases which have today, there has been the highest spike in the state of Goa, which is around 506 cases today have become positive. Recovery has been about 188 cases. We have also taken a decision that in all the hospitals, mainly in Goa Medical College and district hospitals and North Goa and South Goa district hospitals, we will be doing the antigen test before giving any treatment so that we know exactly the status of the patient to insulate the doctors and our health workers and other people from any kind of situation. So accordingly, different type of protocol can be used. Additionally, antigen test आम्ही बेगीन सुरू करतले सगळीकडे गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान, आणि आम्ही एक नवे वॉर्ड आम्ही त्या स्ट्रक्चर रिस्ट्रक्चर करता. काय वॉर्ड्स म्हणजे जे ऑपरेट एमर्जन्सी केन्ना पॉझिटिव्ह पेशंट येतात, यू कॅन नॉट डिनाय ट्रीटमेंट एंड ही इज ऑपरेटेड इन गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज. सो ऑपरेटेड पेशंट्स कोविड पॉझिटिव्ह जे आहात तांकां एक वेगळो वॉर्ड करपाचे गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान आम्ही डिसिजन घेतला, अँड दॅट डिसिजन विल बी ऑल्सो इम्प्लिमेंटेड ASAP. आणि ह्याच तरी आमकां फुडें वचूंक जाय. एक तुमकां सगळ्यांक सांगपाचे मुद्दो इतलोच की लोकांनी सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग म्हणटा, लोकांनी तरेतरेचे जे प्रोटोकॉल्स आहा, इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. पळय तुम्ही पळयले कोण भुरगे पार्टी करता आनी कितें करता आनी खंयच कोणाचे काय, आनी हे शिकलेले लोक आणि गांवांत बी आम्ही एनकरेज करता की एक वेगळ्या तरेचो प्रोटोकॉल जे काही असिम्टोमॅटिक पेशंट विच विल बी अंडर द हेल्थ ऑफिसर ऑफ दॅट रिस्पेक्टिव्ह एरिया. We have made a provision, Madam was just explaining that a provision has been made online where a person can opt for home quarantine, home isolation. So home isolation, if a person is ill, and you know, basically the message येतात, message तो positive आ काय negative आ. So home isolation is something we need to encourage in view of the increasing number of cases in the state of Goa. So this home isolation also will help in reducing the load on the infrastructure. There are people who can, have the facility for home isolation. Maka tari dista ki, and the health officers will be in constant touch with that person in that particular area. So basically, these are the things which we need the media to play a very important role in helping, in educating the people. We are also going to send messages to people immediately once they are tested, and we will just discuss. So that in case he comes positive, what he should do, or in case he comes negative, then there is no issue. But in case he comes positive, what is the provisions that are available for him to adopt in terms of home isolation. So all these things we are doing. As far as the decisions taken by the government by today is in view of the present situation, we thought it was appropriate to have the second COVID hospital, which is going to be sub-district hospital Ponda. Antigen test is going to become mandatory wherever in our hospitals, and in case a person has to go for specific surgery and all, then we'll do the RT-PCR test in addition to this test. So certain protocols, after discussing with experts, we are putting in place. आयसचे दिसा आयस स्पाइक जाला म्हणून आम्ही वेगवेगळ्या तरेचे एक स्ट्रिक्ट मेजर्स घालपाचे आमचे काम चालू आसा. We are confident as a state government, and after discussing with the chief minister and experts, and आम्ही private sector doctors and even IMA involved केले आसा, who are helping us in terms of these home isolation cases. And they are coming forward, so their support is most welcome. Even just now, I was after the meeting, some doctors suggested that the management of ICU and other things, they are ready to come forward to help. We are welcome if the private doctors want to help in supporting us in our this fight against COVID-19. As Madam Neela Mohan, Dean, Dr. Disa. आता आम्ही जशी चर्चा आमची चालली, डॉक्टर Disa has already gone to Auspicio and also going to Ponda to see whatever needs to be put in place is put in place on fast track. म्हाका तरी दिसता की लोकांनी गरज पडल्यारूच भायर सरप, लोकांनी सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग नॉर्म्स ज्या पाळपाची गरज आहा, आणि लोकांनी घरांतल्यान भायर सरना. म्हाका दिसता की हे पयलींचे लॉकडाऊनच आसूंक जाय अशी गरज ना, पूण त्याच बरोबर पीपल शुड फॉलो सम बेसिक रूल्स and certain basic principles of social distancing, and seeing that if they have any kind of mild symptom, bring it to the knowledge of, go and get themselves checked, so that we are in a better position to see that we keep curb and keep some sort of a control on the spread of the virus in the state of Goa. Maka dista ki overall in the present situation, it is very much essential that over the next 45 to 60 days we keep a very tight vigil on what is happening. It is necessary. We are not here to create any kind of panic in the minds of the people of the state of Goa, but same time it is necessary people take care. Movement, only restrictive movement is required, and all these things, basic protocols people should actually apply to themselves. It's applicable to all of us. आणि म्हणून मिडियाक आम्ही ठरयलें की आज ब्रीफ करपाक तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान प्लाझ्मा डोनेट करपाक लोकांक फुडें येवपाक म्हणून तुमची एक विनंती तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान. आणि त्याच बरोबर तुमकां आंकडे दिल्ले आसा आयजचे केसीस कितले जाले त्यो. त्याचबरोबर मुख्यमंत्रीचे ट्वीट ऑलरेडी आयिल्ले आसा की पोंडा हॉस्पिटल आमी हे सगळे डिस्कशन्स आयज केल्ले आसा. वी हॅव डिटेल्ड राउंड ऑफ मॅरेथॉन मीटिंग्स टुडे. What will be the protocols? What type of, and we are also going to increase the number of antigen tests in the state of Goa. तरेतरेचे गोष्टी फुडें व्हरपाचो and वेगवेगळे तरेचे protocols in order to fight COVID-19 are already in place, but we are going to further tighten them and provide the best quality care in terms of treatment to the people. Most importantly is the media needs to educate the people from time to time on taking precautions, social distancing, wearing masks. Immediately, if there are some symptoms which are already through you, they should be made aware to the people, and they should get themselves checked. Because if they get them checked early, then they will not infect somebody else. So this is all what we need to do. And मनीस एकदा डिस्चार्ज जालो त्यांनी घराकडे काही थोडे दीस काडपाची गरज आहा. आणि ह्याच तरेन म्हाका दिसता की लोकांनी वेगळ्या तरेची मनस्थिती घेऊन फुडें वचपाची गरज आहा. इतलेंच सांगपाक म्हणून तुमकां आयज आमी माफी मागता की मातसो वेळ जालो, पूण त्याच बरोबर आयज COVID-19 टक्कर दिवपाक आमी सगळे लोक मेहनत करता. मॅडम नीला मोहन आसा, आमचे डीन आसा, त्याचबरोबर आमचे चीफ सेक्रेटरी आसा, आमचे मुख्यमंत्री आसा, त्याचबरोबर आमचे पूर्ण टीम डॉक्टर्स ESI, DHS आणि GMCचे त्यांची बी आयज हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंटाची सगळे मिटींग आमी घेतल्या. एक्सपर्ट कमिटीची मिटींग घेतल्या की कशें आमी COVID-19 टक्कर दिवंक जाय. म्हाका खात्री आहा की आयज 500 जाले म्हणून आमी it's not going to disturb our focus on controlling the virus. We are going to see that every provision and every facility is upgraded so that we are able to treat our patients well with proper care and attention. एक 600ची कॅपॅसिटी असते, म्हणजे जे महिला आणि भुरग्यांचो विषय तो त्या ओल्ड हॉस्पिटल जातलो. A hospital is already a running functional hospital, so the dean will be monitoring, and it's all going to be under the overall supervision of the Goa Medical College and DHS director. They will be jointly any ESI.
Old hospital also for COVID patients, you mean to say?
ओल्ड हॉस्पिटल केस फॉर एंटीनेटल एंड पोस्ट नेटल ऑलरेडी आताच सांगलें हांवें ते एक 10 दीस लागले कमिशन करपाक पूण ह्या फुडल्या 2 दिसां भितर आमी फोंड्याचे सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल आमी कमिशन करता.
Sir, can we say that Goa is in peak of the pandemic? Or
We can't because nobody knows what is the peak. I can't predict it at all.
And with this new hospital, you will need two more teams of doctors.
We have already discussed. That's why we had such marathon meetings today. We have had experts also here. We have like Dr. Oscar, Dr. Molio, Magir, आमचे बाकीचे doctors, Dr. Rajesh Naik, आमचे Dr. Eddie, डीन आम्ही सेक्रेटरी हे सगळ्यांची आमची मीटिंग झाली की प्रत्येकाचे ओपिनियन घेऊन आमकां कितें करूंक जाय फुडें वचपाक म्हणून आमी प्रायव्हेट सेक्टराक इन्वॉल्व करून एक्सपर्ट्साक इन्वॉल्व करून आमचे बरे डॉक्टर्स एक्सपर्ट्स आसा तांकां इन्वॉल्व करून फुडें व्हरपाचो आमचो
So
प्रयत्न.
you have sufficient number of doctors, you mean to say?
We have doctors, we will manage.
अदर मेडिकल स्टाफाची गरज ना.
आसा न्ही चालूच आसा न्ही रिक्वायरमेंट चालूच आयज तुमकां एक सांगता की एमटीएसाक तुमकां खबर आहा की 18,000 सॅलरी दिवन बी इंटरव्यूक कमी लोक येतात म्हणून आमी आउटसोर्स एजन्सी आमी सांगलेले आसा की पेशंट हँडलिंग एंड हाऊसकीपिंग आयज ईएसआय हॉस्पिटलाचे इको क्लिनर आमी दिल्ले आसा हाऊसकीपिंग आनी पेशंट हँडलिंग ते ऑलरेडी फायल मूव केल्या सोडेक्सो ते जेवणाची सोय ते तिनी हॉस्पिटलांत दिवपाची आमी ऑलरेडी ते डीन मूव करतलो प्रपोजल दोन्ही कडेन आमकां वेगळ्या तरेची प्रोफेशनली मॅनेज करपाची गरज आसा म्हणून आमकां फुडें वचूंक जाय. आयज कठीण परिस्थिती कित्याक आयज चलता आयज जेन्ना मनीस येता गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान टेस्ट करपाक लायनीन रावतात पूण तुमकां 10-15 लोक थंयच्यानूच पॉझिटिव्ह भायर सरतात. So it's not something easy. It's something which is a very difficult task. That's why these meetings we are having, and we will ensure that we fight it in a very scientific manner.
So tell us something about plasma therapy.
It's going on.
How many patients?
आता सांगले तुमका की 10तले 3 स्टेटस को 7 लोक have improved.
आयज प्लाझ्मा दिलो परत तेका दिवपाक जाता
देऊ शकता 2 फावट दिवचे पडटा.
कितले दीस
Within a week's time, you can give a second dose.
सो मॅक्सिमम 2 टाइम
Yes.
वन क्वेश्चन इज देयर तुम्ही आता म्हणता की 1.5 महिन्यात 2 महिन्यानंतर तुम्ही विजिल दवरा म्हणटा
ना विजय हांव कितें म्हणटा की पीक जावंक लागले न्ही म्हणून आमी म्हणटा फुडले आमकां बी कांय गोष्टीचेर विचार करचो पडटलो कांय गोष्टी रिस्ट्रिक्ट करचे पडटले कारण लोकांनी विचार करपाची गरज आसा. आयज पळयता आमी लोक मास्क घालिनासतना भोंवतात लोक आयज सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग सारखे करिना हे सगळे गोष्टीचेर विचार करपाची गरज आसा. कशें कितें आमकां डॉक्टर्सांची जीवन बी सांबाळूंक जाय की डॉक्टर मागीर पेशंटाक ट्रिटमेंट दिवपाची गरज आसा म्हणून आमी एंटीजन टेस्ट हे कंपल्सरी केल्ले आसा. कसलेय ट्रिटमेंट जाय जाल्यार पयलीं एंटीजन टेस्ट करून आमी फुडें वयतले. Antigen test is like a layer. RT-PCR test will be mandatory for any kind of procedure in Goa Medical College. So we are doing this and we will make it mandatory. It is important for us to see that we put layers in place so that we are not only able to insulate the people, but immediate identification whether the person is positive or negative, and accordingly to take appropriate steps is what we want to do.
पेंडन्सी लिस्ट खूप आहा पळय तेजे कितें करतलो तुमी कारण
कसले
पेंडन्सी रिपोर्ट
म्हाका दिसता विथ एंटीजन टेस्ट आमी वी आर गोइंग टू एक्नॉलेज एंटीजन टेस्ट एज अ रेग्युलर टेस्ट फॉर ऑपरेशन करपाक खातीरूच आमी मागीर आरटीपीसीआर हेजेर इन्सिस्ट करतले पूण जर तो सिम्टोमॅटिक असलो तर एंटीजन आनी ते करू शकतात ते हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंटान दवरचे पडटले पूण त्याच बरोबर एंटीजनाचो आमचे वापर हे वाडोवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान आनी प्लस सगळे कडेन जर आतां खंय जर गेले खंयच्या आतां वाड्यार जर गेले कोण कोविड पॉझिटिव्ह जाता थंय सगळे कडेन एंटीजन टेस्ट आमी वापरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसलो आनी थंय 80% पर्यंत एक्युरेसी आयिल्ली आसा बाकीच्या राज्यांत जे आमी किट जे वापरतात ते ऑलरेडी आमची डिस्कशन जाल्ले आसा तेजो आमी वापर आमी निश्चित करतले.
सर आयज म्हणे कितले दोतोर पॉझिटिव्ह जाले आणि कितले परतून क्युअर जाले
एक गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान एक 23 डॉक्टर जाले आनी 18 नर्सीस जाले.
ओके आणि कितले आता परतून बरे झाले
Recover झाले भितरले म्हाका दिसता 12 recover जाले.
रिकवरी बरी आहा तशी.
So of these 506 new cases detected today, how many are symptomatic and because you will require...
No, I don't have that breakup now because just now secretary gave me the figure.
Because if there are...
I think in the bulletin I will give you that information subsequently. I've just got only the top of the main figure.
Then so many patients will require to be hospitalized. no?
Yes,
Then
that's why we are moving towards the next COVID hospital. So once we have that, in next 48 hours we'll have the next COVID hospital in place.
बट वी कॅन से दिस हॉस्पिटल इज फुल नाव आता जे ईएस हॉस्पिटल ते फुल
No,
झाले
full. How to media? I have not called the media to give some fake news. I have called you to tell you the reality, and your responsibility is much more to educate the people in terms of awareness, to take precautions, We are here as a state government, that's why Chief Minister has already tweeted today, and we have all with that decision that we need additional facility in terms of COVID hospitals. You know my stand on the COVID hospitals. I have always said that we would require at some point of time. So Chief Minister has already agreed. Few days back also we were discussing this, but today the need has come. We require another COVID hospital. We are going to have 3 facilities at the moment, and then we'll figure it out how it goes. We'll see how the virus curve is. Accordingly, we'll discussion with Chief Minister, we'll take appropriate steps.
No,
Fonda is basically for North Goa.
ना तसे नॉर्थ गोवा साउथ गोवा आहे कोविड हॉस्पिटल ESI ते नॉर्थ गोवा साउथ गोवा आणि ते सगळे हॉस्पिटल
Because some people are demanding that they should have one separate for North
There's no
Goa.
question of anybody demanding anything. What is technically feasible, we will do that.
Mr. Rani, just clarify, no? Because of these 506 patients, some will be required immediate medical help.
Lot of people I just mentioned, there's an option for home isolation.
No, but at least some will require immediate medical
Yes,
help.
so
And the hospitals
immediately we are parallelly creating a ward in Goa Medical College in such emergency, that is holding area in GMC. And in addition, within the 48 hours, we are starting moving out patients from the sub-district hospital from today. Within 2 days, we'll have that in place. As we speak, we have to act also. Now, nobody expected a peak of 506 cases happening today, and it needs to be made aware of the public. Please take precautions, please take care. We care about the people of the state of Goa. Parallelly, we have roped in all experts available so that they can guide us on the protocols that we are using. Also, we are talking, our team is talking with other medical colleges on plasma therapy and also AIMS, what they are doing. And like I said, out of 10 people on which we have administered the plasma, already 7 people are showing signs of improvement and 3 people are status quo. So this is like working on the people. So we need to collect more plasma, and through you we need to appeal to the people, and parallelly more facilities are being put in place.
त्याच्यामुळे तुम्ही आता जे म्हटलं की ते फॅसिलिटी तयार करताना फंड जाय पडटा
ना फंडाची
तुमच्या मध्ये आता इव्हन सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटान तुमकां फक्त 12 कोटीचेच पावर जातो
ना 12 कोटी देऊ काय कितें गोंयची जनतेक जे कितें फेसिलिटी लागता आमी खंयच कमी करूं ना जे कितें जाय ते कोविड मॅनेजमेंटान आमी घालपाचें आमचें काम चालू आसा सरकार आनी आमचे मुख्यमंत्री जे आमच्या सहकार्यान आमी प्रत्येक गोष्ट जे निर्णय घेता ते जॉयंटली आमी निर्णय घेता आनी जे कितें मेडिसिन्स आहा ते खंयच शॉर्ट सप्लाय ना कोणूच आमकां सांगू ना आयज पर्यंत की खंय तरी शॉर्ट सप्लाय कितें आहा म्हणून प्रत्येक गोष्ट आनी त्याच बरोबर जे कितें शॉर्टफॉल आहा तो पूर्ण करपाक पूण आमी प्रोफेशनल एजन्सी जाग्यार घालपाचें आमचें काम चालू आहा.
कितले पेशंट आहे व्हेंटिलेटर
व्हेंटिलेटरचे ते बुलेटिनान टोटल व्हेंटिलेटरचे ESI हॉस्पिटलान फिगर
ICU 5 आसा आणि ITU चे 11 आसा. ITU बीन इंटेन्सिव्ह ट्रीटमेंट युनिट तुमकां हांव डिटेल्स धाडटा तेन्ना दिता.
आणि प्लस आम्ही थंय हाय डिपेंडन्सी युनिट करपाचें काम चालू ऑलरेडी बिनान केल्लें आसा दोन्ही कडेन सेम फेसिलिटी आसतल्यो आणि दोन्ही हॉस्पिटलान हे सगळें करपाचें काम चालू ऑलरेडी आमी
In addition, we are making high dependency beds, means bed having a ventilator.
Next week. We have got sufficient stock of ventilators आणि एडिशनल HFNO machines
22.
आणि एडिशनल HFNO machines जे लागता जे चड आणि चड गरज आहा ते बी डॉक्टरान ऑर्डर केल्या म्हणजे ते आमी
Micro
आमच्या
nasal
patient-
oxygen facility म्हणतात.
increase of cases of what kind of would recover the Chaturthi facility?
No, I don't want to get into the decision of the state government. What is as far as me as a health minister, what internally we need to do in the Goa Medical College, what we need to do in ESI hospital, those protocols internally. Like I mentioned, we have got experts along with our doctors of Goa Medical College, like Dr. Viren Gampar, Dr. Molio, the educator team of experts, Dr. Dean is there, Director DHS is there. So basically, all these people who are there, they are monitoring the protocols and what is being told to us, and we take it forward.
सर IPHB पेशंट
खबर आहे तरी आयसोलेशन करपाचे आमचे प्रोसेस
दवरला तो चाइल्ड गायडन्स क्लिनिकान दवरला आनी फाल्यां ओपीडी जावची एक पेशंट आशिल्लो तो अंडर मॅजिस्ट्रियल ऑर्डर आशिल्लो तो सो ताका कोविड केअर सेंटरान घेना कित्याक ताका स्पेशल अटेंडन्स जाय पडटा तो मॅजिस्ट्रियल ऑर्डरीच्या अंडर आसल्या कारणान सो ताका आतां आयसोलेशनान खंय दवरलो तो चाइल्ड गायडन्स तातूंत दवरला आनी फाल्यां तेजे ओपीडी आनी ते फाल्यांच्यान ओपीडी स्टार्ट
ना कितें जाला ताका 20 अंडर मॅजिस्ट्रेट कितें सांग an attendant with PP and we have isolated him.
त्या वॉर्डान कित्याक दवरला काय म्हणटा चाइल्ड गायडन्स क्लिनिक कित्याक ते लास्टाक भुरगे फाल्यां जेन्ना ओपीडी नासलो तांकां प्रॉब्लम
फाल्यां ओपीडी शिफ्ट करतले
सोमार आनी बेरेस
काही ओपीडीज आम्ही जे नॉन इसेन्शियल ओपीडीज आहेत ते बंद करपाक
ओके
ऑलरेडी जे एमर्जन्सी फुडले आमी तशें केल्लो आसा स्पायक करून आमकां वेगवेगळे तरेचे एसओपीज करचे पडटा स्पायक जर जाता आयज जर स्पायक 506 केसीसचे आसा तर आमकां मुख्यमंत्री कडेन प्रत्येक गोष्ट आयज चर्चा करून आमी निर्णय घेतले. आमी आयज तुमीच हांगा विटनेस आमचे कंटिन्युअस 2 मॅरेथॉन मिटींग आमची चालू आहा. आमी प्रत्येक प्रायव्हेट डॉक्टर एक्सपर्ट जो आहा तेजो हेल्प घेवन आमी जे कितें जाग्यार घालूंक जाय जाग्यार घालता. त्याच बरोबर तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान हांव आतांच उल्लेख केलो की लोकांनी गरज पडल्यारूच सेमी इमर्जन्सी कोणाचे सर्जरी केस असले ह्यो तरेच्यो गोष्टी पण बाकीचे नॉन इसेन्शियल कांय गोष्टी आमी रिस्ट्रिक्ट स्पेसिफिकली सांगू शकना पण तुमकां ते कळटले थ्रू एडवर्टायजमेंट काय कडेन आमी करतले आमकां विचार आमचो मॅनपॉवर कशे तरेन आमी डिप्लॉय करू शकता.
याच्यात तुम्ही प्रायव्हेट हॉस्पिटल रिझर्व म्हटले ते 2 हॉस्पिटल ते भितर तुम्ही यूज करता
लोकांक यूज करपाक ते आमचे पेशंट आमी धाडिना प्रायव्हेट
प्रायव्हेट असतात
प्रायव्हेट आयज कोणी तरी रेकमेंड केले मणिपालाक सांग म्हणून हांवें मणिपालाक सांगून एडमिट करून घेतला पेशंट.
टू पे दॅट
That you come to my facility, you don't have to pay anything. If you go to Manipal or you go to Victor, it's by choice. You
By
pay for
patient's
your.
choice.
But patient not विचार हे जे कोविडाचो कर्व जो आहा हेजेर आमकां नजर दवरून आमकां पावलां घेवची पडटली. आतां